Hi there, and welcome back to Easy Forms, the advanced form builder and manager tool you already enjoy to work with. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to update an add-on. But don't worry, Easy Forms will send an email notification letting you know every time one of your add-ons have been updated, so you will always be up to date. To start, just enter the download link, which by the way is the same one you received when you purchased the add-on license. And right here, click download. As you can see, the zip file is already on my PC. So now it's time to go to your Control Panel File Manager to upload the new version. Click here, choose Upload File and select our new file. Let's wait a few seconds and there it is. Now we have to select the file and click over here and extract files. Next, we need to delete the zip file, just to avoid any unexpected behavior. For that, just select the file, then click on Remove and just remove please. Now let's jump back over to Easy Forms. Go to Add-ons and click the Refresh button. As you can see, the new version is already here. And if you go and click on Actions, you will see the Install option. So just click over there. And that's it. You have installed your new add-on version, and even better, without losing any of your data. Because remember, it's always easy with Easy Forms.